What's the difference between whole life and term life insurance? At the outset of their decision-making process, life insurance customers are often confronted with difficult decisions. Should I get term life insurance or whole life insurance? The answer should be determined by the reasons why you need life insurance. In the event that your life insurance need has a defined end, such as the years remaining before your retirement, term life insurance may be a good option. For longer-term financial planning objectives, such as estate planning or establishing a trust, whole life insurance may be a good option. If you worry about financial obligations that will expire in the near future, term life insurance may usually alleviate your concerns. As an example, if you want life insurance to cover the years of a mortgage or the years of your children's college education, term life insurance is a better option than whole life. Hence, there's no need to waste money on the insurance that you won't need in the near future. Difference between whole life and term life insurance. Premiums. Premiums stay the same. Term life yes, whole life yes. Premiums for the most prevalent kinds of both term life and whole life insurance are flat. Therefore, your premium payments will remain constant throughout time. You will always know how much you owe. Fortunately, life insurance companies often provide a variety of payment options, including monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and yearly payments. If you don't want to be saddled with lifetime costs for whole life insurance, there are certain plans. They provide shorter payment schedules with greater payments, such as single premium whole life insurance. Alternatively, there are policies that need payments for a specific number of years, such as 10 years. Later in life, you will be able to spend your money more freely. The term life insurance companies provide flexible advantages, such as the opportunity to convert a term life policy to a permanent life policy at a reasonable price. Payouts. Guaranteed payouts. Term life yes, whole life yes. Whole life and term life insurance plans provide payments, known as death benefits. They are guaranteed and do not fluctuate in value over time. In most cases, your beneficiaries will get a death benefit that is tax-free. The most significant distinction is that if you outlive a term life insurance policy, you will not get a payment. Hence, a term life insurance policy may normally be renewed at a greater rate after the time of level premiums has expired. However, if you do not renew your insurance, your coverage will be terminated. If you have whole life insurance, you will get the money regardless of when you die. However, it's true only as long as you have paid your premiums. Cash value. Cash value. Term life no, whole life yes. Term life insurance does not accumulate any financial value. On the other hand, whole life insurance plans have a cash value account that accumulates over time at a predetermined interest rate. One of the reasons why whole life insurance is costlier than term insurance is because of the assured cash value increase. The cash value of insurance is intended to be utilized by the policyholder. You may use it to get a loan and use the money to pay for anything you desire. If you pass away without repaying the debt, the amount owed is deducted from your death benefit as a result of your failure to do so. When you die, whatever monetary value that remains in your policy normally reverts to the insurance provider. Moreover, it is the face value of the insurance less any amounts taken out of the cash value and not returned to the policyholder that is distributed to your beneficiaries. If you're seeking everlasting coverage without the hefty expense associated with a whole life insurance policy, guaranteed universal life insurance may be a good option. Price. Cheaper form. Term life yes, whole life no. Any pricing comparison between term and whole life insurance will be only somewhat useful since whole life insurance provides everlasting coverage as well as a cash value accumulation. The price differences between term and whole life insurance will vary depending on the customer's age, the quantity of coverage purchased, and the insurance company. Putting an end to a policy. Easy to terminate. Term life yes, whole life no. While you make every effort to foresee financial demands many years in the future, you may discover that you no longer need life insurance coverage. With term life insurance, you have the option to cease making payments and cancel the policy. Because there is no monetary worth, there is no money to take with you when you leave. Simply ceasing payments on a whole life insurance policy will bring the coverage to an end. Accordingly, the life insurer will most likely use any remaining cash value to continue paying your premiums on your behalf until the remaining cash value is exhausted. If you want to avoid walking away, call the insurance and ask for the surrender value, which is the cash value less any surrender charges. Is it possible for me to change my mind and switch? It is possible that, years after purchasing life insurance, you may discover that the policy you selected is no longer the best option. It does happen. Finances and personal conditions change throughout time. There may be methods to turn things around without having to purchase new insurance coverage. Changing from term life insurance to whole life insurance. Term life insurance policies sometimes feature a conversion option. It enables you to change the policy into a permanent life insurance policy. There is a deadline for completing this process, so check your policy to see how long you have. Changing from whole life insurance to term life insurance. Whether you have accumulated cash value in a whole life insurance policy, you may ask your insurance provider if you can use the cash value to convert the policy to a term life insurance policy that has been fully paid up and terminate the whole life insurance policy. Based on the amount of money in your cash value account, your life insurance provider will be able to inform you how long your new term life policy will be in effect. Conclusion. Although whole life and universal life plans each have their own set of features and advantages, they are both designed to provide your loved ones with the financial resources they will need after your death. It is possible to pick a life insurance policy that suits your specific requirements, budget, and financial objectives.